I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
This is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today, we're here at Sale-Laketown Wharf, an amazing complex that has so many amenities for whether you're going to live here full time or your investment needs. There are 5 pools here.
I know.
5 beautiful pools. This actual unit is a 2-bed, 2-bath, over 1,200 square feet. These are some of the largest units on the beach. Now, it is just across from the beach, but it's also just across from Pineapple Willie's, which is a famous local restaurant.
I love it. And
yes,
let's not forget about the fact that you're like right next to Juan Taco, which makes some of the best tacos
Yes.
in Panama City Beach. So, hello.
Perfect. And what's so great about this unit is you don't have to worry about the elevators. You have stair access to it, and you won't have to be worried about them in busy season.
We did that today. Just hopped right up there. And another thing that I like about this 3rd level unit, there's like a little putting green.
Yes.
And a really nice state-of-the-art fitness center. It's actually one of my favorite fitness centers of all the condos in Panama City Beach.
It's 2 levels.
Yeah.
And beautiful. You get to overlook the Gulf while you're actually on the treadmill or whatever your heart desires.
Earning your tacos. You have got to check out this unit at Sale-Laketown Wharf. It's a great deal.
Absolutely. If you'd like more information, look in the description below. There's a direct link to the actual listing.
And make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one at thebeachshow.com.
See you later.